In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to clone or air layer a stone fruit tree. This way you can make copies of your trees that fruit you like. So the first thing you're going to do is need your ingredients. I like to use rooting hormone. You don't necessarily need rooting hormone. A bag of dirt is useful. This is a plastic bag, sandwich bag, some string to support the air layer bag since it's heavy, and some parafilm. It's just wax film. All right, you need a sharp knife. You're going to figure out where you want to put your air layer, where you're going to want the roots to pop out. And so you're going to cut through the outer bark. Notice here I'm cutting through the outer bark to get through the cambium. The bark is old cambium layer. So I'm cutting through. I'm going to pull this bark off. Once I've cleanly cut through the outer bark, exposing the underbark, and I'm going to scrape the underbark. This is the outer phloem, and I'm scraping that off. Make sure you don't pierce through to the xylem. Once I cut through to here, this is going to trigger the branch to start rooting. This is the application of the rooting hormone. Make an incision in your bag so that you can put the bag around the incision you just made into the branch, and the roots are going to hopefully form inside of this bag. Everything works properly. So here's my cut open bag. And I went ahead and put it on because I couldn't hold the camera and do it at the same time. And then I wrapped it with parafilm to keep the moisture from getting in or out. And then I supported it, as you can see, with the string. Good luck. Hopefully you're able to clone your trees.